Okay, it started, right? Yeah. You guys were able to see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So actually today we are supposed to start on Python, but I'm still going with SQL only. Because why? Because I need to cover few more things in SQL. Because as I mentioned earlier, SQL is very important, right? In when you are going to give your interviews, so you're going to get more questions around this window functions because this is a bit advanced in SQL, and you're going to get more questions on this. So I just wanted to continue on this. So let's continue on SQL today, today as well, and tomorrow we can start from this. Python. Okay. Yeah. Let me quickly create these tables again because have you anyone tried these things like in SQLite? Did anyone worked on these things which I showed earlier? Right? No one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, I
So
work.
it's working fine, right, for you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Same,
Yes, sir.
as I mentioned earlier, every time you need to recreate these tables and all. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
Okay, sir.
anyway, I'm just creating now. Earlier I created it, but somehow it got lost, so that's why I'm just recreating. Yeah. Let me quickly wrap this up. Yeah. Today we are going to start on window functions, SQL window functions. This is the window. This is the advanced topic in SQL. I'm pretty sure that this class is going to be a bit difficult for you, okay? Because this is one of the advanced concepts in SQL, and it's most important concept as a data engineer. Okay, but when you have any doubts or something, just let me know in this class, or you can just go to after this class, right? You can just go to this recording again, or you can just refer online resources and just get your doubts resolved, or you can post me, or you can ping me as well. Okay. uh, let me start with before that, yesterday we worked on this group by, right? Group by class. So does anyone let me know what is group by, how group by works? Hello. I think you guys have done your assignments, or the Subhashri, can we find a way so that we can collect these assignments from these guys and we can review them?
Sorry, Ravi, did you tell something? I could not listen
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Can you
I just
repeat it?
wanted to know how we can get these assignments, collect these assignments from the students, and then review that.
Okay, I think Akhil told me that you can provide whatever PPTs you have in the course only you can provide. So already you have provided the assignments. He told me.
Yeah, they're supposed to
Have you
fill
uploaded in the course any documents?
me. Uh,
Yes.
so here I just
That,
uploaded this document, only this SQL practice. So they need to download this and they need to give what they understand it from that SQL query, what
yes,
was their
yes,
observation, those kind of things. Yeah.
yes.
No, I think
Okay,
they've done that, but we need to correct
okay.
those things from their side. So
Okay, they how they need to upload, right? You want.
yeah,
Okay. Yeah, I'll ask. I'll ask.
yeah,
So
just need.
you people try. Do you have rights to upload or you do not have rights to upload? Have you tried anyone?
Ma'am, I tried.
So did you get
Yes, ma'am.
any
We
issue or
actually
what?
tried with the online only, ma'am.
Okay.
We don't
We
have
cannot
any
Okay.
download a PDF, ma'am. We
there.
cannot download PDF. It has to be online only.
Okay.
Okay.
It is read only.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Separately, we can't download. You have to download through app only. We cannot re-download also, ma'am. We can
Yes,
take.
ma'am.
We cannot
Yes,
take print also, ma'am.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. You can take a print because okay. 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 I'll speak to Akhil and I'll download and I'll share.
Yeah, fine. Just let me know, like, what is group by? Anyone?
The group by it's the statement used to aggregate the function like max, minimum, sum, average
Okay, aggregate
to
function.
group the result. Yeah.
Group the result. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. So what we do is we can say it is better ways like group by we used to divide the rows as per their department ID or whatever the constraint we just gave to them to the SQL, and then we will apply our aggregate functions. This min, max, sum, count, right? All these are called aggregate functions. So we will apply those aggregate functions on top of this divided group. So yesterday I show you an example, right, where there is a department 1, department 2, department 3. So we will divide all the rows with department 1, and on top of that you will apply your aggregate functions, and you will divide all next department 2 values rows, and you will apply those aggregate functions on top of that. So similarly other departments as well. So that's what group by will do, divide and conquer, we call it as. Okay, just remember this line, divide and conquer. Divide and apply your window aggregated functions on top of that. Okay, now now I just my query is this is my now from this employees table, I wanted to find number of employees in the department, first thing. Okay, and I wanted to find what are the departments that has more than one employees. You got my point, right? If you observe this employees, department 1 has 2 employees, 1 and 2, I mean Alice and Bob, and department 2 has only one employee, Charlie. Department 3 has only one employee, David, and 4 has only one. Now I wanted to find that what are the departments that has more than one employee. Okay, does anyone let me know how we can do that? Okay, so first thing, I need to apply group by here, so that I will my group by what happens is I wanted to count number of employees in the each department first, right? So that's why I'm performing count of star. So let's remove this count of star and go with department only. Okay, underscore ID. I will tell you what is between star and department ID. Okay, now let me run this. You see, department null is 0. Okay, let's remove that. We don't consider 3 has only 1%, and 4 has only 1%, 2 has only 1%, but department 1 has 2%. Okay, now I need to know which department has more than one employee. That means only one should come in my answer, not 1, 2, 3. These 3 rows shouldn't come. These 4 rows, only this one department should come into my answer. How we can do that? We need to apply filter, right? How we can apply filter after grouping is having count of department underscore ID greater than 2. Let me see, will I get any rows or not? No. Why? Because there are no departments whose count is greater than 2. Let me go with 1. See, I got only one department ID, one as the output, and its count is 2, right? So this is how you filter after applying group by. You can apply filters. Okay, so I applied the group by here, then I am applying these filters. Okay, so this is how you do it. But let's see, what if we do not apply any grouping and count this, what will happen? Let's see. It throws an error because you cannot apply these count aggregate functions without group by. Okay, any questions so far? And I just wanted to show you one more thing, just comparison, right? You already know this. Okay, so here I will use employees where department underscore ID is equal to 2 or 1. Okay, so this is also a filter. This is also a filter you can apply. Okay, so this is 2. But if you apply same filter here, where count of department greater than 1, it won't run. It will throw as an error. Why? Because after group by only you can use having. Okay, just remember this. Okay, so just having. Okay, so just remember the difference. Okay, where you will use for non-grouping. Okay, but whenever you are trying to group it, right, then you are going to use having. Okay, having is filter that you use after applying group by. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now let me dive into this. What is this? This is document SQL window functions. Yeah, so we are going to start our SQL window functions. So what is SQL window functions and all those kind of stuff? Let's start. But before that, let me show you example, some real-time example. Okay, industry use cases. Let's say Amazon orders table. You guys all are familiar with this Amazon, right? Orders table. We used to order that. Now I wanted to find the running total of sales per customer. It will be confusing for you. Let me go through this. Find top three most consecutive expensive orders per customer. Okay, imagine this Amazon orders table will have so many records, right? Now, so many customers are also there. Let's say I won't bother about any customers. I just want to take my room. In my room, there are 7 people. I just wanted to see that out of this, for every 7 people, I just want to take their Amazon account and see what are the top most expensive things they ordered from the Amazon. Okay, so that's my use case. Now, for that, I just what I will do is what I will do is I need to apply some ranking, right? Ranking based on the price, because that's how you filter, right? You'll go there and you will apply that sort by price. That's how you filter whenever you're purchasing, whenever you are doing anything, right? Filters, you will do that sort by prices, right? Here in SQL, what we will do is we need to take let's say it's in an entire table, like all the 7 people's data is in one table. Okay, one table. Now what you need to do is you need to divide this table into 7. Why? Because I need to see most expensive item for each person, right? Each person, so there's 7 persons. That means you need to divide this table into 7 persons and then conquer it, then apply your rules and what are the aggregate functions to it. Okay, and how you can do. But before that, if you go here and see, so for this employees, right, when I'm applying this group by, have you observed that we are getting only one column whenever we apply this group by? See, if I give star here, star means, for your information, star, if you apply star, you're supposed to get all the values. Okay, but if I give star comma count of department ID, it will throw an error, because whenever you use group by, okay, remember this thing again. Whenever you use group by and you specify some column, right, that column, you need to give only that column. Okay, only this column, department ID. Then you need to apply transformations or aggregations on top of it. That's it. You cannot give any other column. Let me try to give employee ID. If I give this, it will throw me an error. See, employee.employee must appear in group by clause or used in the aggregate functions. See, if I am not using it anywhere, then I cannot give this. Okay, so just remember that whenever you using group by, you need to give that group by column here and here, only that. Okay, so other than that, you cannot give any other thing. But in here, you can give anything. You can give employee ID as well. I'm not sure what answer it will give, but you will give employee ID as well. See, department ID one, yeah. So you can give employee ID as well. Okay, so this is how the group by works. What happens with group by is group by will give you the, as group by is giving only one row, I mean one column. See, group by will collapse rows into single output. Okay, so they take all the rows and just they will combine them and give the one output for each division. Let's say there are 7 people, then out of the 7 people I will get only 7 records, because I have done 7 divides, right, 7 divisions, and I conquered that, so it will give me only 7 records. Okay, but in case of window functions, it won't happen. Window functions will give you all the rows. Let's say for every customer you have 10 records, it will give you all the 10 records for each person. But on beside that, it will give you the aggregate function value as well. I will show you how. Okay, now before that, I just wanted to walk you through the syntax. Okay, so how these things work. uh, Window function, right? Same again. Window functions means, like, again, this sum, average, count, min, max again comes here, but here the syntax will change. You are going to specify these are the keywords. This is very new to you, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the advanced concepts in SQL. So that's why I'm covering that. This is the most important thing in interview, and it's very difficult for you. Just try to understand it. If you do not understand, that's okay, fine. Just after this class, just go through the recordings again, then you will find it. You'll start getting it. Okay, this is a syntax. Over, you will specify your window function here. Okay, so win function. I will let you know what are the window functions. You see here, right? These are the window functions. Sum, average, count, min, max. So window function over partition by column list, order by column list, and rows or range between frame start and frame end. For now, you can ignore this. Okay, just see this thing. Partition by. Partition by on which column you wanted to partition. Earlier, let me construct that. Okay, again this count again. I wanted to perform this count over, over, over. Okay, so partition by on which column I wanted to partition, department underscore ID. Okay, now I can specify the order as well, but I'm not specifying anything for now. For now, I just wanted to keep it as simple as possible. Now, let me take this. Let me remove this. Okay, I will use star here, and for this entire column, right, I'm going to replace with a name as count. Okay. Now let me run this. Hope this syntax is correct. Sorry, I need to forget to give the star, or I can give the department ID here. Still says, yeah. If you see here, so for department 4, right, you have one. Department 3, you have one. Department 2, you have one. For department ID 1, you have two. Yeah, right. But even though you got the count here, you haven't lost your original data, right? Employee is there, employee name is there, employee email is there, salary is there, joining date is there. You haven't lost the data. But in case of group by, right, you lost the data. You got only department ID and the count. Whenever we tried to give any other column, it's not taking, it's throwing an error, right? You guys are getting, right? If you use group by alone, your data, right, your most of the columns, only the group by column will exist. Other columns will get lost. Okay, that means it won't appear in your output. But if you use this window functions, you will get all your columns. It will return all your columns, and it will give you the output as well. And if you see, so earlier for department ID 1, you have, for each department you have one row, but here for every department you have that count, you have that aggregated value, right? So what did happen? It will again do divide and conquer. It will divide these two rows, and this one row separate, this one row separate, three departments separate, four departments separate, null departments separate. Okay, then it will apply this count, again count, this count on this department, on this both it will count, and it's one two records, so it will give two. This is single record, it will give one. Single record, it will give one. Single record, it will give one. And this null record, right, it's not belongs to this department. There is null means not null, so that's why it won't give you any value here. Okay, so in this way you are going to retain your data, because if I retain my data, then I can start working on this. So whose department has two, count two. Let me give one more thing. Okay, whose department count is greater than one. Okay, and their sum of salary, I'm not sure what will be the salary partition by department ID. So I'm just trying the number of employees, and total salary for each department. Okay, okay. Now let me run this. Let me put it in a better understanding. Okay, now let me run this. See, if you see here, let me try to extend this. Okay, you see here, this is the number of employees. Okay, number of employees for department 1 is 2. Even though you query this one record from department ID, it will give you the aggregated values. This is 2, this is 1,75,000, this is 1,75,000, this is 60, this is 70, this is 90, this is 50. And you see here number of employees, you see here number of total salary for each department, not for this employee, this employee alone. This is for each department that this employee belongs to. Now I can simply perform some queries on top of this, right? Some filters. Let me try to filter that. But I'll show you how we are going to use that filter. I'll put this into some brackets. I'll tell you why. Okay. Now this is the data. Like this data is this only, right? From out of this data, I wanted to select star from this table. This is a table now for me. I just done some queries on that, but this is a table for me where number of employees. Let me copy paste this. Employees greater than one, and is the condition. If you wanted to give two filters, then you are going to use this and. Okay, and this total salary for each department greater than, let's give 1 lakh, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Now let me run this entire query. Let's see how many records we will get. See, you got only department 2. Why? Because here my condition is some HR or some random person came to me and asked me like, what was the number of employees, like that. I need the department whose department has more than 1% or two people in that department, and whose salaries are greater than this 1,75,000. Okay, so that's my query. Now I need to find those values. Then how I can find these values is like this. Okay, so we will use this where condition and all these things. By the way, this concept is called subqueries. Okay, so this is one of the query which I used to build my earlier data. Now this acts as a table now. Okay, so that's a table for me now. If you observe this query again, select a star from table where this. Okay, now I can replace this table with this query. Okay, this is a table. This query will act as a table for me. So this is a subquery concept. Okay, now out of this you can fetch these results. Okay, now that's how this window functions works. Okay, so now we can try to do some more functions. You can see, I will let you walk you through with some more functions. Okay, now this is the syntax. Just remember the syntax, how we are going to use. I will let you know how order by and all works, and rows and range between as well. Don't worry. So this is partition will divide the result into partitions like grouping, and order by will orders the values, right? So based on the salary, I wanted to rank here. Okay. Based on the salary. Okay. Let me give rank. Okay. Again same. Again same. I won't change the partition. Okay. Partition by department ID as rank. Let me call rank. But on what basis you are going to rank it, right? I wanted to rank it on basis of the salary. Then I will perform the order by salary on DESC. DESC means descending order. Hope you guys are aware of this ascending and descending. Ascending means from small to big. Descending means from big to small. Okay, this is what this looks like. Now let me run this query again. See, if you go here, see how the rank looks like here. Observe only top two columns. See, this is belongs to number of employees in that department 1. This belongs to total salary in this department, belongs to this department 1. This belongs to the rank that we gave based on the salary. This Bob has 95,000 salary, so that's why he got rank 1. This Alice has got the 80,000 rally, which is lesser than 95,000, and he is the only one that left after Bob, so that's why we got 2. Okay, if you observe clearly, we got the ranks to these persons, so we can rank based on their salary. So who is earning topmost salary in this department? Who is earning topmost salary here? Bob is earning the topmost salary. Okay, so that's how you will do ranking. You can also give same thing. Let me copy paste. I will introduce two more functions to you, but I'm telling you again, these things you need to practice every day. Okay, because you are going to get these type of questions in your interview. Row underscore number and same row number. Okay, so this is d dense rank. Will you this dense rank? This is row number. Okay, let me run this query again. See, Rank is 1 2 based on the salary. 95,000 is first rank, 80,000 is second rank. 10th rank is also same. Rank is also same. Row number is also same. 8th thing is same. But now let me walk you through difference between this rank. Um, okay. So rank versus 10th rank versus row number. Okay. So what's the differences? So in case of rank, okay, let's say two people got same. Let's think of a class. Okay, class. Two people got same marks. Okay, then let's say Ravi got 100 marks. Okay, Sham got 99 marks. Karthik got 99 marks, and Deepa got 98 marks. Okay, this is the example. On top of this, let's see. Okay, now let's see. Let's go to rank. So now I want you to let me know what will be the rank of Ravi. Please answer this. You can all unmute yourself and you can start giving these answers. Okay,
One.
one, right?
One.
Okay, super. One. What's the rank of Sham?
Two.
2,
Two. Okay. Rank of Karthik?
2,
Two. Rank of
2,
Deepa?
Three.
3.
3.
No, no. Why? Because if you apply rank here, how many ranks got skipped? We gave two ranks to second, right? So we will get the four here. The three got skipped. If you give rank two twice, that means the next value three will get skipped. Okay, but let's go to this way. What's the rank of Sham here? Two.
1, 2,
What's the rank of Sham here? Two. Rank of
Two.
Deepa here? What will be the rank of Deepa here?
4,
Four.
No, no.
Three.
3.
If you apply
3.
dense rank,
Three.
Okay.
the ranks won't get skipped. Ranks are not skipped. If you apply this ranks got skipped, right? You can clearly see, right? Third rank got skipped here because this is rank. This is rank you applied. So third rank got skipped. But if you apply dense rank, it is giving the ranks properly. Now let's go to row number. Row number. Okay. Hope you guys understand what's rank versus dense rank. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's go
Yes.
here. Row number. What's the rank of this? Not rank, row number, right? This row number is 1 because I ordered on based on these marks. It will be 1. It will be 2. What will we get here? What we get here? Row
3.
number. Row number. Right?
3, 3,
Row
3.
number. So that's why this row's number is 3. This row number is 4. Right?
Four.
This is how this rank versus dense rank versus row number looks like. Okay, because you will get to know more and more scenarios once you start working on this, where we will use rank, where we will use dense rank, where we will use row number. Okay, so once you start working, right, then you will find many use cases where you can apply rank, dense rank and row numbers based on the questions you got. Okay, so this is the key difference. For now I got, you guys got this. So just try to practice more on this. You can go to YouTube or ChatGPT and ask, give me some problems on top of this rank, dense rank and row number. It will give you and you can start working on that. Okay.
Sir,
So
if you use any of the rank, the row will be the constant only, sir. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4 only. If
for
you use
rank,
any rank or dense rank.
if you use rank, sorry,
Like, I mean, for rank, the numbering we are giving is like 1, 2 to 4, no, sir.
2
And
to
in
4,
dense rank, we are giving 1, 2, 3, like that.
yeah.
But in row, we are giving 1, 2, 3, 4,
3
no,
4
sir.
row,
So
it
it is
doesn't
same
matter.
for both.
It's same for both, but in row number, right, it only take care of the, it will take its rows number. So this is first row, right?
Okay.
If you
Yeah.
see here, first row, so this is second row and
Hmm.
this is third row. So that's what it takes. It won't compare these values.
Okay.
Just we are
Fine.
sorting on top of this marks, but it won't bother about this same marks or not. It will just order, or it will take care of its row number. If this row is, let's say, 11, let's say it won't, but let's say this row number is 11,
Okay. The next will be 12, 13, 14.
12 that, and then you will get 11 here.
Oh, okay. Fine, fine.
Okay, so
Okay.
that's
Then
how
it
this
will not affect any of the rank, no, sir.
any of the rank, yeah. It will
Okay,
give
okay.
if you wanted to do something, and then you can use this. Okay,
Yeah, okay, sir.
or if you wanted to find that number of, like, you do not want to skip do like this, you wanted to have the ranks, or you wanted to see order by, and based on the marks you wanted to give ranks, then you go with this because it is not skipping anything. But if you go with this, then it is skipping some ranks.
Yes,
Okay,
okay, sir.
now I will introduce you one more thing here. Now let's say Anusha came here and she also got 99 marks. What will be Anusha's rank here?
2,
2. Fine. And what will be Deepa's rank?
5.
5.
5, 5.
Exactly,
5.
exactly. Okay. So
Yes,
because
yes, got
this
it.
is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what this rank and all. So hope you guys got this. Please start practicing it, because if you start learning right, if you start practicing right, you will get to see more and more things. Okay.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So those dense rank is fine. Is the entail means like I do not want to confuse you guys. Uh, but entail will split rows into n buckets. Let's say you give 4 here, right? Entail same function over order by function on all these things 4. If you give that thing, let's say you give 2. Let me take this. Um,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Just
No,
a
no,
second.
he left.
No, ma'am, sir is not in the meeting, ma'am.
No, Ravi is not in the call. Actually, he left. Maybe he has some internet issues. So let me check with him.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, when did I got dropped? Then what happened? Does anyone know? Can anyone let me know when I got dropped? Because not
Sir, 5 minutes back, sir.
5 minutes back. Fine.
Yeah.
Yes.
How this can happen? Abruptly I got dropped. When I started teaching,
Yes,
I
sir.
already here I already
Maybe
wrote
thought you
yesterday.
had some network issue.
Uh,
Maybe network issues, sir.
no,
It happens the same way even for me also, sir.
how can this happen? Because I I started telling you all this
I told you in the previous session also. It's like
yeah.
I'm lefting out of the session. I have to rejoin again. It will take hardly 5 minutes for it.
Uh, I already started explaining this, and why I got to know that I got dropped is I asked question to you guys. So that's why no one is replying. So that's why I just came here and saw. Then I just got dropped. This is really
Oh,
something that we need to look into. Super.
yes.
Let me
Ravi,
repeat this
maybe it
concept
is
again.
for the
This
network
is
issue.
lag.
Somehow, if
This is
I
lead.
have some network issue
What is
also, I
lag?
get dropped from the
If you
call.
observe this, okay, these are the this is Ravi and this is amount.
Sir,
We
Ravi,
your
can't
that
see your
amount that
screen
Ravi
is
screen.
spent.
not
Sir,
Let's say this
Screen
right.
is not
100 again,
visible, sir.
not 100,
Sir, you're
1000.
not
your screen
present.
is
17,
not
700
visible,
he
sir.
spent. He spent 1200 on this day. 12,000. He
Please
spent
Sir,
share
your
your
50
screen.
rupees.
Ravi, please share your
Just a
screen.
second. Okay. Now let's see lag. What is lag? So this is the condition for lag. Lag
sir,
of
your screen is not
the
Sir,
sharing.
your
column
screen
on
is
which you
not
wanted
sharing.
to see its previous value. Lag means
Ravi
lag,
sir.
right? So he's lag. He's 10
Sir,
seconds lag. That means he's supposed to finish at 10 o'clock, but he
Sir,
finished at before
hello?
after 10 seconds after 10. Okay, fine.
Hello?
This over
Hello.
partition by you already know. This is where we create window
Ma'am,
function.
screen is not
Just a
visible.
second.
Over partition by name. Okay, so
Ravi.
this is partition by name
Ravi
Ravi.
is
This is
not
partition by
hearing.
name Sham. So I mean,
Maybe he's
this is the
talking.
Yes,
same
yes.
table, but here Ravi became one
Sir,
partition, Sham became one partition. Why? Anyone can
Raj
let me know
sir.
Second.
why this becomes two things here,
Let me
two
call him.
separate
Ma'am,
rows
you
here.
gave him one call.
Hello,
Sir,
Sir,
your
your
screen
screen
is
is not,
not
not visible.
visible.
I again got dropped. All right, Karthik is trying to call me. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Ravi, are you able to hear us?
Yeah, Subhashri. I'm not sure what's happening.
Yeah, your screen was not visible and you are not able to hear us.
Okay. Now, now you are able to see the
Yes,
screen.
now it is visible.
Ah,
It's
yes,
visible,
yes,
Yes.
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let me start again. Okay, so this is lag, this is lead. Okay, so these are the rows. Okay, so this is belongs to single table for now. Okay, this is belongs to single table and amount that Sham
sir, can
spent
you
on this.
just re-explain it, sir? We were actually not able to listen anything or see.
Okay, sure, definitely,
Yes, sir. Thank you,
definitely.
sir.
Yeah, 1 second. These are the amount of money that Sham and Ravi spent within days. Okay, this will be third day. This is the fourth day. Okay, so if you observe here, Ravi is the name, 100 is the amount that he spent on first day. These guys went to some tour or something, let's say OT. Okay, and this is what Ravi spent on the second day. Ravi spent on third day. Sham spent on first day, second day, third day, fourth day. The amount of money they spent in their tour. Okay, OT. Okay, fine. They went to OT, and these are the amount they spent on the first and second day. Now I wanted to see how much amount of money that they spent. I mean the difference between this previous day amount and today's day's amount. Okay, so how we are going to do that? The amount of money he spent on first day is 100, on second is 1100. So how much amount of money that he spent more on the second day? Can anyone let me know? So on first day he spent 100 rupees, and second day he spent 1100 rupees. How much amount of money that he spent more on the second day?
1,000.
1000 rupees. Fine. How you got to know 1000? Because you took this 100, right? But before that you took this 1100 and you subtracted this 100, right? That's how you did it, right? I'm not sure who answered it, Arun or Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is how we do it. And how much amount of money that he spent after the next day? Like how much amount of more money that he spent after the next day? 12,000 minus 1100. This is the amount of money that he spent in the next day. Okay. Now, similarly, how much amount of more money that he spent after the next day? There is not more money because it's they dropped it. Let's say 5,000 here. Okay, they reduced his expenses by 7,000. So it's minus 7,000 here. They reduce their expenses, right? So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to see how much amount of money that Ravi used to spend, like Ravi used to increase per day by day, or amount of money that Ravi used to decrease day by day. If you guys understand, these guys went to Ooty, and amount of money Ravi spent on first day is 100, second day is 1100. So he increased his expense by 1,000 rupees. Now in the third day he spent 12,000 rupees. So 12,000 rupees is very huge, right? So compared to the second day and third day, he spent so much amount of money, and fourth day he spent only 5,000. Even though it's very high compared to his first day, but he spent very less money compared to his third day, right? If you observe this most clearly, okay, that's what we do. But now I will try to explain this in a SQL way. Okay, let's leave this as it is. Now Ravi is 100 on first. On second day he spent 1100. First, if you see, observe first and second is next day to the first, right? That means lead. Lead means you understand, right? What is lead? Lead is next to the current day. Okay, so this lead of amount comma 1 day over partition by name, order by amount. Okay, over partition by name, amount. This is the amount you came to know. So this amount, what will be this amount for this here? What does this query will give here? Can anyone let me know what will be the value of this function here for this only row? For this only row, you just told me that what's the answer, so you can just check and let me know what will be the answer for this. Lead amount of one, lead is
1,000.
1000, not 1000, 1100.
Oh,
Okay, 1100. Perfect. Now same function we will apply here. We will apply here to this row. Let me put it here. Now what will be the value here for same
12,000.
12,000.
12,000.
Now let's go here. What will be the value here? Same. What will be the value here?
7,000.
7,000. Perfect. Now this is the tricky part. What is the value here?
Sir,
2,000.
actually, we'll be lagging the amount, sir.
Lagging the,
Amount.
Amount.
so no. So again let's touch the basics again. Ravi, first day 100. If you apply lead, you got 1100. Okay, now again you came here. Okay, this is the second row, you applied the same function. Lead means third day, amount means third day amount 12,000, so that will get here. Now again you came here, this is the third row. Now third day's lead is fourth day amount, fourth day amount is 5,000. Sorry, here the answer is 5,000. Okay, 5,000 you got here. Now for this fourth day, is there the next day? Just let me know that. Is there next day for this?
No.
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 That means there is no value.
Null.
Null.
Null value.
Okay.
Null. Okay, null.
Okay,
But
sir.
I do not want to have null here. Then what I will do, I will put comma here. Sorry, not here. Comma here. Okay. Here I do not want to give null. I wanted to give some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 phone number. Let's say fancy number. Then instead of null, I will get value here. This value here. If I don't do that, I will just remove this. Then I will get null. Okay, you guys got my point. If you want, this is the default value. If you don't find any value, you will get this value. Okay, if you find a null,
Yes.
and instead of null you will see this value. If you do not find any null, then you will find its actual value, next day value. Okay, so
Okay.
that's how this default value works. Okay, so that's how it is. Now let's see lag, how lags works. Okay, so now we are almost end of the day, end of the call. So just let me know in case of any doubts after this thing. Okay, this is the last concept we are going to cover. So lag. Okay, now similar approach, I won't change. Let's start from here. Take this thing, lag. What is a lag? For Sham, right? What's this lag? Lag means previous day. Lead means next day. Lag means previous day. What is previous day's value? Let me know. Previous day's value of Sham?
F- 500.
500. Excellent. Let's take this. Go here. What's the previous day value of third day?
1100.
1100. Perfect. 1100. Now let's go here. What's the previous day value?
1000.
1000.
1000. Perfect. Now what will be my previous day value for first? Sorry?
Null.
Null. Exactly.
1000.
Null.
Yeah,
Null, null.
that's the correct answer. Okay, null. Okay, that's what lag will do. But here I just gave triple line. Now, will I get null here?
No.
No.
No, I will get this default value. Okay,
Yes.
this is how you write your queries. Let me convert this into a query here. Select. This is, let's say, OT table. Okay, select star, comma. I will take this, and table, take this, comma, where is this select star? Okay, select star from OT table. Okay, select star from OT table, comma this. Okay, okay. Now this is select star lag of this value. So if I apply this, then I will get these things. Okay, this is how the function will work. If you apply lead here instead of lag, lead, copy me this here, then I will get these type of values. This is how the SQL will work. Lag and lead. Hope you guys got to know this, right? What is lag, what is lead. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This is how lag and lead work. So let's say this is two separate queries from OT. This is again separate query. Select star from, sorry, and from OT. OT. Okay. This is how this lag and lead work. But here I wanted to combine these two. Combine these two, then I will take this and just give it here. Okay, so this is how query looks like if you combine two queries, two new columns or two new operations. Okay, this is how query looks like. Hope you guys got this question right. So now I will stop the class here. This will be too much new concepts for you. So these are the most important concepts, in fact, which I covered here. Okay. Now, out of this, earlier we discussed this window aggregated functions, window function, rank, dense rank, row number, and now this aggregated functions you already know. Now this lag and lead. Out of this, you guys have any doubts? Any doubts so far? Let me know. Any doubts? If you do not have any doubts, means I consider that you got this concept very well. Then I will start asking questions. Any issue, just let me know. Where you found any issue, something. Yeah. Mm, so you guys got this concept very clear, very well. Right?
Sir, we will practice
Hmm.
after this session, and then if we have doubts, we'll let you know, sir.
Super, 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 super
Yeah,
well.
yes, yes, same thing.
Sure. Sure. Thanks then. So at least you guys mentioned that you are going to practice this. That's it. Just practice this thing, okay? So there is one more concept I just wanted to introduce to you. This is frame starter, frame end. Okay, this is the one last concept. One last concept. Okay, I know it will be too much for you, but yeah, one last concept. With this, we will be done with SQL. Okay, today's class. But whenever you start practicing, right, you will get so many doubts. Just practice that. Refer online resources. Still, you do not find any answers. Just come to me on any day, even after this course got over. You just ping me. I will help you. Okay, okay. So this is the one last thing we're going to cover now. What is frame? Okay. Now I'll bring this frame into our concept now. This is the syntax. Rows between. So for this lag, right? Where is this lag, right? Yeah, rows between. You do not see anything here because I haven't written. But if I haven't written, means it will take default value. Unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Okay, so I haven't written this. Why? Because this is the default value. Default value. So that's why I haven't written anything here. But I can play with this thing as well. I will introduce this. Okay. Frame concept. This is frame concept. Okay. Frame concept. Now here I haven't written the null, but by default SQL is giving me null when it unable to find the next value, next amount value. Right? Yes. So far with me, right? Lead amount of one. If there is no new lead, no next day value, then it will give me null. Even though I specify null or do not specify null, it will give me the null. It's default here. Similarly, here over partition by, this is over clause. We call it as over clause. Even though you do not have anything, partition by name, order by amount, you do not give this. It's still there. It's still there. It's that we haven't written this. So we've asked SQL to consider your default value. Default value is rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. I will let you know what is unbounded preceding and unbounded following. Okay. So unbounded preceding, that means there is no limit. No limit. Unbounded means no limit. Unbounded following means, let me take this. This is a bit confusing for you. Even I got confused when I started learning this. Okay, unbounded preceding means no limit for previous values. Okay. Now unbounded preceding for no limit for next values. Now I will introduce one more thing. Okay, one preceding, one following. What happens here? What happens here? One preceding, one following. Just let me know.
Limit only.
Limit, limit. The limit, no limit will go, and limit for previous values is equal to one. One following limit will be one. Okay. If I give 10 here, the limit will be 10.
Then
Okay, so the limit changes, one preceding one thing. And we can also have a concept called current row. Current row means, let's go here. This is the current row. This sham, let's go to the top. This, right, this is the current row. Now my cursor came here. See, this is my cursor. Okay, this is the current row for me. My cursor came here. Now this is my current row. Cursor came here. This is my current row. So current row means same row. Okay. So these are the few terminologies I just wanted to let you know. Okay. Now here I will, if I do not mention these rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following, it will automatically take this. Or if I go and specify here only two preceding, only take two previous values and two following values. That's it. Now what happens is if I take this, okay, while partitioning right, where is this values, let's say this is a big table. While partitioning, what happens is this is the current row, right? What happens here is uh, rows between one preceding and one following. Now these two became one partition. Okay, because I mentioned here rows between one preceding and one following. Okay, now this is my first row in my concept. Okay, this first row I came here. What is my one preceding? Null. I do not have anything. What is my one following? This is my one following. This will become my one row, but here I just gave name and all these things will get confused for you, I'm pretty sure. Now let's say Ravi, partition by name Ravi, order by amount DESC means descending from big to low, 100 to 99, and rows between one preceding and one following. Now on top of this apply some sum amount. Okay, now what happens, it will consider only these two columns, okay, these two rows, and just give me that the value here is, this is also Ravi. Okay. The value here is 100 plus 99. This is, there is no previous record. There is no, this is the next record. It will take these three records and the value will be 199. So now it came here. Okay. Now tell me, this is the current row. For this current row, what is the previous value?
100.
100
Uh,
plus current row's value is 99 plus what is the
99.
next row's? 99.
99.
So this will be my next, these values. Now it will come here. What is its one preceding value? 99
99.
plus its current value 99.
99.
Is the next value? No, null.
No.
It will give me 198. Okay. Hope you guys got this right. One preceding, one following.
Yes, yes.
Similarly, we can go with you can go with n preceding and following. That means n is up to you. You can mention how much amount or how many rows you wanted to consider, how many rows you wanted to follow. Okay, preceding and then. So this is how the syntax looks like. Rows between all these things. Okay, okay, you got right this frame class, or you just want me to repeat again? I know like you're going to practice, definitely practice and let me know. Okay, so that's all for today's class. You guys can just let me know in case of any doubts, and for your information, this is our last class in SQL. Okay, I covered most of the important topics that you need to learn as a data engineer. Okay, so just go through these concepts thoroughly, very thoroughly. You're going to get questions on top of these concepts. Okay, practice as many examples as possible, as many scenarios as possible. Go to LinkedIn, go to YouTube. There are some better tutors. Okay, you can find those classes, those problems, and practice that. Okay, so just go through that, you will get to know many of the things. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's it.
Sir, in that frame, sir,
Yeah,
if
exactly.
possible, can we just open that
Yeah,
once?
yeah.
So can we can't take any average, sir? Since it's like we'll keep on going and adding all the null numbers, the numbers will be huge, no, sir? What if we take it in the average? We can't do it, sir, that way.
Average, you mean
Uh,
this one
I
or
know
this?
the example you gave here, sir. The Ravi, all those.
Okay, you want to take average of these values?
Ah, yes, we can't do that, sir. I'm
you
asking.
can you can do that. Any
We can.
aggregation
Okay.
functions you can update. Here you can
Yeah,
average, count, or you can
okay.
apply sum, anything, any window
Okay.
function you can apply here. Min of
Yeah, okay.
value, max of all these three rows, you can apply any window functions here.
Yeah,
I
okay,
just
sir.
gave that example, only sum. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
nice
Thank you, sir.
that you're listening and you're asking questions. Nice. Yeah, any other
Yes,
questions?
thank you, sir.
Any other questions? Fine then.
Please ask, because
Hmm.
these concepts are very, very important.
Yeah.
because you need to understand each concept, how it is working. If you are getting any queries, how you will simplify with these functions. So you need to understand properly, and you also need to
Yes.
practice.
Practice is most important thing. And you start practicing it, you'll
Yes,
get to know many doubts. Then you can start learning. If you
correct.
get a doubt, that means you started learning. If the concept is very easy and you got in no doubts, then you're not learning new things. If it's easy, everyone will do. If it's easy, everyone will come into data engineering. Okay, so
Yes, yes.
it will definitely be tough.
Yes.
Yeah. That's it. Like you can just go practice and just reach me. You guys already pinging me. You can start. You can also ping me in case of any doubts regarding this class or anything related to SQL. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir.
And then
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank
thank
you,
you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you,
thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Bye.
So Ravi, tomorrow 9 p.m. or 9:30?
Actually, Subhashri, I just wanted to put this class to 9 to 10 p.m. But due to my
Okay.
client meetings or something, I just wanted to move this half an hour
Okay.
here.
Okay.
But
That will be okay for these people also. 9 to 10 will be
9 to
okay.
10 definitely okay. I'm pretty sure. But I cannot promise all 5 days I can do 9 to 10. I
Yes,
wanted to do
yes,
9 to 10,
yes.
but if there is a meeting, I will postpone
Because
that day.
10,
Only,
10 to 10:30 maybe they will feel sleepy or they will not get any
yeah,
energy to
completely
concentrate.
agree. But my client, right, they used to
Correct.
call me
9 to
suddenly.
10 will
That's why.
be fine.
I'll
You
keep
people
9
are
to
okay
10.
with this?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
9
Yes.
to 10 is
Yes,
perfect.
okay.
I'll keep 9 to 10, but in case
Yes,
on
sir.
that day, if I have any meeting or something, I will let you know. On that day, I will
Yeah, no
postpone this
problem.
call by half an hour or something. Okay? Just
Yeah,
ask.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Okay.
whatever I have told you, create one group and start study together. Right?
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
really helps
Sure,
for
sure.
you.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Ravi.
Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you all
Thank you,
of
Thank you
sir.
so
you.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you, ma'am.
Any questions?